This is brought to you by ePremi.com.
Multiple choice of questions in animal reproduction and reproductive health. Question number 1. Seminal plasma, the fluid part of semen, is contributed by option A. Seminal vesicle and prostate, option B. Seminal vesicle, prostate and bulbourethral gland, option C. Prostate, urethra, bulbourethral gland, option D. Seminal vesicle and bulbourethral gland. The answer is option B. Seminal vesicle, prostate and bulbourethral gland. Question number 2. The method of directly injecting a sperm into ovum in assisted by reproductive technology is called option A. GIFT, option B. ZIFT, option C. ICSI, option D. ET. The answer is option C. ICSI. Question number 3. Scrotal sac remains absent in option A. Whale, option B. Elephant, option C. Echidna, option D. All of these. The answer is option D. All of these. Question number 4. Archidectomy is option A. Surgical removal of testes, option B. Surgical removal of ovaries, option C. Inflammation of testes, option D. Non-descent of testes in scrotum. The answer is option A. Surgical removal of testes. Question number 5. Which of the following cells secrete a glycoprotein hormone called inhibin, which is involved in the negative feedback control of sperm production? Option A. Leydig cells, option B. Sertoli cells, option C. Prostate gland, option D. Interstitial cells. The answer is option B. Sertoli cells. Question number 6. Which of the following hormone plays essential role in spermatogenesis? Option A. Testosterone, option B. LH, option C. Estrogens, option D. All of these. The answer is option D. All of these. Question number 7. The vas deferens receives duct from the seminal vessels and opens into urethra as option A. Epididymis, option B. Ejaculatory duct, option C. Efferent ductal, option D. Ureter. The answer is option B. Ejaculatory duct. Question number 8. In mammals, failure of testes to descend into the scrotum is known as option A. Cryptorchidism, option B. Castration, option C. Impotency, option D. Phaedogenesis. The answer is option A. Cryptorchidism. Question number 9. Which part of ovary in mammals act as an endocrine gland after ovulation? Option A. Graafian follicle, option B. Stroma, option C. Germinal epithelium, option D. Vitelline membrane. The answer is option A. Graafian follicle. Question number 10. In the human female, menstruation can be deferred by the administration of option A. LH only, option B. Combination of FSH and LH, option C. Combination of estrogen and progesterone, option D. FHS only. The answer is option C. Combination of estrogen and progesterone.
This is brought to you by ePremi.com.
Question number 11. After ovulation, Graafian follicle forms option A. Corpus arteria, option B. Corpus luteum, option C. Corpus albicans, option D. Corpus callosum. The answer is option B. Corpus luteum. Question number 12. Which of the following are diploid cells? Option A. Primary oocyte and primary spermatocyte, option B. Secondary oocyte and secondary spermatocyte, option C. Spermatid and egg, option D. Sperm and fertilized egg. The answer is option A. Primary oocyte and primary spermatocyte. Question number 13. Sertoli cells are regulated by the pituitary hormone known as option A. FSH, option B. GH, option C. Prolactin, option D. LH? The answer is option A, FSH. Question number 14. In females, inhibins is secreted by option A, Sertoli cells, option B, granulosa cells of ovarian follicles, option C, Leydig cells, option D, Cowper's glands. The answer is option B, granulosa cells of ovarian follicles. Question number 15. Withdrawal of which of the following hormones is the immediate cause of menstruation? Option A, estrogens, option B, FSH, option C, FSH-RH, option D, progesterone. The answer is option D, progesterone. Question number 16. Carpus luteum secretes steroid hormone. Option A, estrogen, option B, progesterone, option C, both A and B, option D, Carpus albicans. The answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 17. Human egg is option A, microlecithal, option B, mesolecithal, option C, macrolecithal, option D, alecithal. The answer is option D, alecithal. Question number 18. Both carpus luteum and macula luteae are option A, found in human ovaries, option B, a source of hormones, option C, characterized by a yellow color, option D, contributory in maintaining pregnancy. The answer is option C, characterized by a yellow color. Question number 19. Ovulation takes place in a month during option A, 11 to 14 days, option B, 14 to 16 days, option C, 15 to 28 days, option D, 21 to 28 days. The answer is option B, 14 to 16 days. Question number 20. At menopause, there is rise in urinary excretion of option A, STH, option B, FSH, option C, LTH, option D, MSH. The answer is option B, FSH.
This is brought to you by ePremi.com.
Question number 21. The female hormone that causes deposition of fat in the breast and hips as well as growth of pubic hair during puberty is option A, luteinizing hormone, option B, follicle stimulating hormone, option C, estrogen, option D, progesterone. The answer is option C, estrogen. Question number 22. The membranous cover of the ovum at ovulation is option A, corona radiata, option B, zona radiata, option C, zona pellicuda, option D, chorion. The answer is option A, corona radiata. Question number 23. Acrosomal reaction of the sperm occurs due to option A, in contact with zona pellicuda of the ova, option B, reactions within the uterine environment of the female, option C, reactions within the epidermal environment of the male, option D, androgens produced in the uterus. The answer is option A, its contact with the zona pellicuda of the ova. Question number 24. Fertilization in mammals occurs in option A, uterus, option B, fallopian tube, option C, vagina, option D, cervix. The answer is option B, fallopian tube. Question number 25. Blastopore is the opening to the exterior of option A, coelom, option B, colentron, option C, archenteron, option D, blastocoel. The answer is option C, archenteron.
This is brought to you by ePremi.com.